Yes, student, today we are doing question number first of exercise 6.5 based on Pythagoras property. So here is the question. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. Let us draw the figure. We have a right angle triangle in which angle P is 90 degree. So PQR. If PQ is 10 centimeter, the measurement of PQ is given 10 centimeter, PR is given 24 centimeter. Find QR. We have to find the measurement of this. So what we have to do? We have to use the Pythagoras property, in which we have learned that the square of longest side is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So let us start the solution. Since in triangle PQR angle P is equal to 90 degree, therefore this we all know that side opposite to 90 degree of angle is the longest side. So QR square is equal to, then take the standing line, PR square plus PQ square. You can take any one of them at the first place, but do the square of them. The value of QR square we have to find. The value of PR we have 24, so 24 square. The value of PQ we have 10 square. 24 square means we have to multiply 24 two times. So in the rough we're going to multiply 24 into 24. So when we're going to multiply these two numbers, 4 4 16 6, 1 carry, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 8, and 8 8 16 17, 7, 1 carry, 2 2 4 and 5. So when we multiply 25 two times, we are getting 576 plus 10 square means 10 into 10, and when we multiply both of them we will get 100. Now adding both of them we'll get 676. Now you can observe here we have QR square and here we have 676. If we have to remove square, it means we have to change 676 in the square of some number. So for that what we have to do, let us first find the factors of 676. We're going to make the pair. At the last we have the number 6, so we're going to divide it by the table of 2. 2 3 6, again with the table of 3 2 3 6, 1 is left, 16, 2 8 16. At the last we have 8, so again it will be divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 9 is 18. Now at the last we have 9, so it cannot be divisible by the table of 2. But you can think, you will get an idea that it has 9, so it can be multiplied by the table of 3. But it is not necessary. What we can do, we can check whether it is multiplied by 3 or not. So for that, add all the numbers. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16. So after adding all the 3 digits we are getting 16, and we know that 16 does not comes in the table of 3, so it means it cannot be divisible by the table of 3. With the table of 9 also it cannot be divisible. Then we have to decide, we have to think by what table it can be divisible. So we get 13. 13 1 is 13, 3 is left, 39, 13 3 is 39, again with the table of 13. Now you can observe we have square of 2, we have square of 13. We can take 1 2, we can take 1 3 and write their square, because we have two number this. So multiplying both of them we'll get 26 square. So now we are observing square on the both sides, so square and square will be cancelled, and after cancellation we will get QR is equal to 26. So we can say the measurement of QR is 26 centimeter. Thank you.